Hello dear students, welcome back to the online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, in my previous video, I have already explained you that what is prefix and suffix, and student, I have explained one exercise of this topic. So now today's video I am going to explain the next exercises of this chapter. So first of all, you all take out your grammar book and be moving to the exercises, that is exercise A, which is given on page number 12. Dear student, before starting the exercise A, one more time we going to recheck this first exercise of this chapter. So student, in my previous video I have already explained that what is prefix and suffix. So one more time I am going to tell you that what is prefix and suffix. So we have to learn in the prefix that a group of letters that is added before a word to make a new word is called a prefix. What is prefix? So a group of letters that is added before a word to make a new word is called a prefix, and its examples are UN, IN, IM, RE, BIDE, MIS, DIS, PRE, over, semi and inter. These all are the examples of prefix letters. Okay, and in suffix we have learned that a group of letters placed at the end of a word to make new word is called a suffix. What is suffix? So a suffix is a group of letters placed at the end of a word to make a new word is called a suffix. And student, we have already completed this exercise. So one more time we are going to recheck this. So student, there is in this exercise we have to add prefixes and suffixes to these words to make new words. So one has been done for you, as you can see at your screen that one has been already done for you. So let's moving to the next, that is polite. So we have to add firstly prefix word. Okay, prefix word plus root word equal to new words. So there is a root word is polite, and we have to add prefix in the given root word, that is I am. Okay, so it will be impolite. It will be impolite, and in the suffix part it will be politeness. As we all know that prefix, it means we have to add the group of letter at the beginning of words, and in suffix we have to add the group of letter at the end of word. Okay, so in first the word in prefix column, that is impolite, and suffix column it will be politeness. Third is kind, so it will be in prefix column unkind, and suffix it will be kindness. Okay, fourth is perfect, so it will be imperfect or perfectly. Imperfect in prefix and perfectly in suffix. Now the next, fifth is clear, so it will be unclear and clearly. Unclear and clearly. Now the next word is regard, so it will be irregard and regardless. In prefix column we have to write irregard, and in suffix column we have to write regardless. Now the last one is huge, so it will be misuse and useless. Misuse, we have to write here unused, misuse or useless. Okay students, so like this you have to complete this first exercise. Now we moving to the next exercise. So student, what will we do in this exercise? So first of all we have to read the given heading, that is underline the words with the incorrect prefix, rewrite these sentences correctly. Dear student, we have to underline the incorrect prefix that is given in the sentence, and after that we have to rewrite this given sentences correctly by using the correct prefix word. Okay, so first is Melvin forgot to unconnect the plug from the socket. Here is the word unconnect is the incorrect prefix. So in the place of unconnect we have to use the correct prefix word, that is disconnect. Okay, so first of all we are going to underline the incorrect prefix. So in number 1 there is an incorrect prefix is unconnect. In second, it was the poor woman's unfortune that she lost the job. It was the poor woman's unfortune that she lost the job. So here is the given incorrect prefix word is unfortune, so we have to underline the word unfortune. Now third, Rima is loyal, and listen, in second, in the place of unfortune we have to write misfortune. Okay. Now moving to the third. Rima is loyal and Miss Selfish. Rima is loyal and Miss Selfish. So in firstly we have to underline the word Miss Selfish, and in the place of Miss Selfish we have to write unselfish. Okay student. Fourth is the man was very unpolite and rude. So firstly we are going to underline the given incorrect prefix word, that is unpolite, and in the place of unpolite we have to write impolite. Okay. Now fifth is a illoyal friend is extremely harmful. So there is a word, there is an incorrect prefix word is illoyal, and in place of illoyal we have to write disloyal. Okay. Number 6 is John is very unlogical in his reasoning. So here is the incorrect prefix word is unlogical. So firstly we are going to underline the word unlogical, and in the place of unlogical we have to write illogical. Okay. Number 7 is children today eat a lot of unhealthy food. So student, there is a prefix word is unhealthy, so we have to underline the word unhealthy, and in the place of unhealthy we have to write unhealthy. Okay. Number 8, we had to guess the correct word after discrumbling. So student, there is a given word, discrumbling is an incorrect prefix, so we have to underline it, and after that we have to write in place of discrumbling unscrumbling, that is a correct prefix word. Now 9th is Benjamin was expelled from his office for misbehaving. So there is a given incorrect prefix word is misbehaving, and in the place of misbehaving we have to write misbehaving. Okay student. Now moving to the next, that is number 10. So in number 10, do not in use the time you spend on computer. So here the incorrect prefix is in use. So firstly we have to underline it, and after that in place of in use we have to write misuse. Okay student. So after underline the incorrect prefix word, we have to complete the underline task. Now we have to do the one more things, that is we have to rewrite this sentences correctly. So dear student, you have to write this given exercise in your notebook with a good handwriting. So let's start the writing. So first of all you have to mention date of today, and after that start the writing. So dear student, first of all you have to write the given heading, underline the words with the incorrect prefix to rewrite these sentences. So student, first of all there is the first is Melvin forgot to unconnect the plug from the socket. So you have to underline the word unconnect, and after that we have to rewrite this given sentence like this. Melvin forgot to disconnect the plug from the socket. That is completed number 1. Now the second is it was the poor woman's unfortune that she lost the job. So here is the incorrect prefix word is unfortunate, so we have to underline it, and after that we have to rewrite this sentence like this. It was the poor woman's misfortune that she lost the job. Okay. Now third is Rima is loyal and Miss Selfish. So here we have to underline the word Miss Selfish, and in place of Miss Selfish we have to use unselfish. So the sentence will be see Rima is loyal and unselfish. Okay student. Now the fourth is the man was very unpolite and rude. So we have to underline the word unpolite, and after that we have to rewrite this sentence like this. The man was very impolite and rude. Okay. Now the fifth is illoyal friend is extremely harmful. So we have to underline the word illoyal, and in the place of illoyal we have to use disloyal. So the sentence will be a disloyal friend is extremely harmful. Okay. Now the sixth is John is very unlogical in his reasoning. So here we have to underline the word unlogical, and after that we have to rewrite this sentence like this. John is very illogical in his reasoning. Okay. Now seventh is children today eat a lot of unhealthy food. So firstly we have to underline the word unhealthy, and after that we have to rewrite this sentence like this. Children today eat a lot of unhealthy food. Now the eighth is we had to guess the correct word after discrumbling. So student, firstly we have to underline the word discrumbling, and after that we have to rewrite this sentence like this. We had to guess the correct word after unscrumbling. Okay, unscrumbling. Now the next is number 9. Benjamin was expelled from his office for misbehaving. So firstly we have to underline the word misbehaving, and after that we have to rewrite Benjamin was expelled from his office for misbehaving. Okay, misbehave. Now the next stage, Number 10, do not in use the time you spend on computer. So firstly we have to underline the word in use, and after that we have to write do not misuse the time you spend on computer. Misuse, okay, in the place of in use we have to write misuse. So like this we have to complete this exercise. Okay student, now moving to the next exercise, that is exercise B. So dear student, what will we do in exercise D? So come to the exercise B, that is add suitable prefixes to the word in the brackets and complete the passage. Okay, so student, again we use prefixes. We have to use the suitable prefixes according to the given words, that is in brackets. So let's complete the paragraph. Okay, so first is I was very, so here is the word appointed, so we have to use prefix dis, so it will be disappointed. So we have to write I was very disappointed when I received, and so the given word in bracket is interesting, so it will be uninteresting. Okay, the second one is, first is disappointed and second one is uninteresting. Uninteresting gift from my father, I dash wrapped, so we have to write here unwrapped. We have to use the prefix un, unwrapped the gift paper and found that it was a book. Since I am not fond of reading, it become, there is a word in bracket possible, so we have to use prefix I am. It will be impossible for me to smile after seeing the gift. My father looked at me curiously to see my reaction, but I just could not hide my, there is a pleasure, so we have to write here displeasure or unpleasure. So displeasure, my mother too was surprised by my unexpected, here is the word expected, so we have to use the prefix un, so it will be unexpected reaction. At that time I only saw the, there is a word merits, so we have to write here demerits of that old book. Then my father explained very gently that the book he had gifted me was a special one. He had received it from his parents on his 8th birthday as a reward for being, there is a word selfish, so we have to use prefix un, so it will be unselfish and generous. My father wanted to do the same to me. After I learned this, I felt, here is the word happy, so we have to write here unhappy that I had, so it is the word understood, so we have to use here the prefix miss, so it will be misunderstood him and thought this book was, there is a word important, so we have to write here unimportant. I felt very, there is a word deserving, so we have to write here undeserving of the gift, and soon there is given word is restraint, so we have to use the prefix letter unrestrained, so it will be unrestrained. Tears started flowing from my eyes. I hugged my father tightly, and the dash, there is a word pleasant, so we have to write unpleasant moment become a wonderful one. So like this we have to complete this given paragraph. Okay students, so you all complete this paragraph in your book. Now moving to the next exercise, that is exercise C. So what will we do in exercise C? So here is the fill in the blanks with words that are formed by adding the suffix in the brackets to the word in the box. One has been done for you. So dear student, there are some words are given in the box, so we have to use the correct prefix in the given words according to the sentences. Okay, so one has been done for you. As you can see at your screen, there is a, my brother loses his pens every other day. He is a dash, so here is the correct word that we taken from the box, that is care, and we have to use here the suffix less, so it will be careless. So my brother loses his pens every other day. He is a careless boy. Okay, now we moving to the next, that is we must be dash toward elder, so here is the given suffix is full, so we have to choose the word respect, so it will be respectful. So the sentence will be we must be respectful towards elders. Okay, third is after the thunderstorm there was dash all around, so it is the given suffix is ness, so we have to choose the word dark, so it will be darkness. After the thunderstorm there was darkness all around. Now the fourth is Sanaya. Sanaya stacked the clothes dash in the cupboard, so there is a suffix, So here is the given suffix letter is ly, so we have to choose the word neat, and it will be neatly. So now stack the cloth neatly in the cupboard. Okay, on the fifth is a good dash must keep his followers happy. So student, there is a suffix letter er, so we have to choose the word leader. Okay, lead, we have to choose the word lead, so it will be leader. So a good leader must keep his followers happy. Now the next is number 6. The butterfly was sitting dash on the flower. So here is the word less. So we have to choose the word motion. So it will be the butterfly was sitting motionless on the flower. Now the 7th is we had to dash our trips because of the ill health of my grandmother. So here we have to write shorten. Okay, the word will be shorten. We had a shorten our trip because of the ill health of my grandmother. Now the 8th is the trip to the water park was, there is a given suffix word is able, so we have to choose the word enjoy, so it will be enjoyable. So the trip to the water park was enjoyable. So like this you have to complete this exercises of chapter number 3 in your book, okay student, and also in your notebook. So student, that's it for today. I hope is that clear to you that how could you complete this given exercises of prefixes and suffixes in your book, and you also understand it. So that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my video. Thank you.